Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today. And I got this beautiful house at a community yard sale. A community yard sale is when a whole bunch of houses get together on the very same day and they sell their stuff, so me as the customer, I'm stopping here, stopping there, and that's what a community sale is. So I got this house for $10, including all the beautiful furniture that comes with these type of houses. But I bought it with miniatures in mind. So I want to repurpose this whole house and repurpose it into miniatures. And all the other furniture that came with it, I'm going to repurpose that too. So this house was $10 with the furniture, and I'm going to transform it. So I'm going to work on every room. The only thing is that it's missing some supports there, but that's not that important because I do not want to close up the rooms. I want to leave like an open floor plan, the bigger the better. But if I have to, I'll get something to stick in there and make it a support. And the floors are stained, but all that is going to change. I'm going to work on the floors. This one is wood looking, so you know how wood looks beat up? That's why that looks like that, but this one is not that stained. The other ones are. So I'm gonna fix them. What caught my attention about this house was that beautiful stairs, the set of stairs, and this beautiful porch here, made out of wood, nicely made, very sturdy. The entire house is very sturdy. The only thing is the stains and the supports. That's it. Other than that, it's in very good condition. So some people, sometimes they put stuff out, they don't sell it while they're running their garage sale or yard sale, and then they put it out at the road with a sign that says for free. So I actually don't think that the people who sold this to me really cared about it, about the house. So they probably would have taken it to the Goodwill store or the Salvation Army because it's in good condition. Anyway, I'll be back with other videos as the transformation goes on. It'll take me some time, maybe in the next few weeks I'll do a little here and a little there, but I will be back with more videos. And let me show you the back. That's the back of the house, good condition. Well, thank you for watching.